Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen once more. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful barbecue chicken sandwich recipe using some leftover roasted chicken legs from the day before. So without further ado, let's dive into this very simple sandwich recipe. Alright, so first thing on the agenda is a dipping sauce called a mop sauce that is such a great addition to anything barbecued, especially sandwiches. So in a small sauce pot on low heat, add in the apple cider vinegar, onion powder, celery salt, smoked paprika, molasses, Dijon mustard, and finally some Worcestershire sauce. Give this a good stir and reduce it for 15 minutes or until the sauce is slightly sweet and ever so slightly thickened. Next up, I'm going to shred the chicken leg that I roasted the other day for a very simple chicken, veg, and mashed potato dinner for the family. And this is probably enough meat for 2 sandwiches, I would say, but we're gonna stack this one really nice. Once the chicken is shredded, you're gonna add it to a hot flat top or saute pan with a splash of canola oil, along with a few thick sliced onions to grill. Basically, as soon as the onions have a decent amount of color on them, the chicken should be hot through and through. At that point, you're gonna smother the shredded chicken in your favorite barbecue sauce, give it a toss, then you're gonna toast a few slices of bread with butter until they are beautifully crispy and golden brown. Also, you're gonna melt the sharp cheddar cheese over the top of the barbecue chicken, and at that point, it's time to assemble the sandwich. Now, since this sandwich tends to be a little messy, if you have some pre-cut parchment paper or butcher's paper, wrap up the sandwich so it's a little bit easier to eat, but if not, cut it down the center diagonally, pour the hot mop sauce into a side container, and you are ready to go. Leftover barbecue chicken sandwich with a side of sweet and sour mop sauce to finish. All right, what's up guys? So I am done with the barbecue chicken sandwich, or my leftover barbecue chicken sandwich, and as you can tell, it looks quite delicious. I love how this turned out. I make this all the time for my kids and my wife. They have different variations of it, but this is the one that I really like just whipping up. Super easy, just a few ingredients. Just run-of-the-mill sliced bread, barbecue sauce, whatever you want to use, grilled onions, leftover chicken, and sharp cheddar cheese. So this is a classic in my household, and it's usually on the menu following some sort of chicken dinner or the day after something like that goes down. So I'm excited to dive in and run through the flavors. As you can tell, it's a pretty standard chicken sandwich, but just done with a little bit of love. Plus I have this mop sauce that I don't normally make. I thought that was a fun little tip or a trick to this, just to kind of amplify the whole feel of the sandwich. So let me dive in. Definitely a messy sandwich, which is good. Barbecue tends to be a little messy. Ooh, I just gotta have a bite. Holy smokes, this is crazy good. If you don't want to make it so messy, don't load it up as much. Make it a little bit more dry, but I want the mop sauce. The mop sauce is kind of that addition that just adds that next level of flavor. Typically, they'll be rubbed on ribs. The mop sauce will be rubbed on ribs after they've been smoked or barbecued, just to give it that tangy, you know, sweet and sour glaze. Because sometimes people add either sugar or brown sugar to this. I like molasses just because it has that smoky, already barbecued-like flavor to it, and it gives it that really beautiful, dark, rich sauce look. Basically, just adds that, like I said, that sweet and sour flavor to the dish or to this sandwich. You can add it on a multitude of different barbecued items. It even goes really good with seafood. So yeah, this turned out great. This is one of those leftover meals that I take advantage of every once in a while, and it always turns out fantastic. And it's such an easy way just to utilize the chicken, or whole roasted chicken, or even some roasted chicken legs or breast that you roasted the day before, and you just don't know what to do with it. So great idea just to whip this up, and it's really fun for the family, especially if they like barbecue, which my family loves barbecue. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did and want more leftover recipes, make sure you comment down below letting me know. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy what I do here, and of course check the description box for equipment links and ingredient lists for this recipe. Pretty simple recipe, so there's not going to be too much going on there, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.